Hey YouTube family, I am back, y'all. I ended up leaving and I went to Walmart. Um, First of all, let me tell y'all, I told y'all I wanted to exchange that paint this morning because I tried it out last night and I said just let me do a little test run of it. And it didn't have a primer in it, at least it didn't say it. So I ended up taking it back because it was bleeding right through. So I went back and got the one that I normally would get to use. I did a little test spot and I said, you know what? When the cabinets was like that wood color, the oak color, when I started painting, I ended up priming. Once I did so many doors, I ended up priming it, starting over with those few doors I did and primed it first. Even though that paint had primer, I remember putting that down. And I went in the garage. I know I got some cans of primer, like the little quart size. I know I got some of those in the garage, but I got all that paint stacked up at the top, very, very top of the cabinets out there. And I even looked in the other cabinet in there, the storage thing, and I couldn't find it. So I just was like, whatever. And I went to Walmart, and I was in there so long looking at that stuff because I'm like, well, now which one did I get? The kilts. And I was thinking about getting the other kind, which was that Zinger. But a Zinger, something. But I didn't end up getting it. I ended up getting the kilts. So I said, let me do another test run with the kilts. I'm just going to just go over one of the little pieces because it dried up real quick. So I'm just going to do a piece of the cabinet and let it dry. It take an hour to dry. And once it dry, it's supposed to, it's adhesive paint, so it sticks to the whatever paint that you have. So once that dry, then I'm gonna put a coat of the paint on just to see how it's gonna look, if I like it. If I don't like it, I'm gonna put the top back on there, take it back, then I'm gonna put the top back on the other one, take it back, and I'm gonna go with my first choice. So anyways, y'all, went to Walmart, and let me show y'all. Look, took my nails off too. Okay, y'all, so let me show y'all what I did. I ended up doing these little boards right here on the main sink. The main cabinet. And let me turn this camera around. Yeah, so I ended up just doing those and just kind of around through here a little bit. I just put a little kilts through there and just took the brush on across. And I'm like, you know what? We'll see how it's gonna go. And maybe I'm gonna go and I'm gonna get a sponge brush and go over it just to see if it'll give a better like smoother me putting it out. As long as it'll go on correctly. Then I'm gonna see what the sponge will do, and then just go from there. If I get a smooth texture, and once that dry, then that'll give me the okay if I want to just keep going, with everything. And then I just go ahead and take the handles and stuff on off. So I'll share with y'all every step of the way, y'all. All right. Okay, YouTube family. Now, I know I said I was going to take y'all every step of the way, but I ended up just priming the cabinets. I took all of the handles down. Now, up there, I got to get the ladder for that part right there. But yeah, all of this is primed. All of this on each side is all primed up. I know I'm moving the camera kind of fast, but yeah, I just wanted to show y'all real quick. Because y'all, if y'all knew what time it was right now, y'all be like, what? I didn't take that down. And but I'm going to take those down because I want to spray them gold. I want to spray them bright gold. after I do my handles and stuff, all my handles are right here. So I'm gonna spray my book holder too. So I'm gonna take all of that outside tomorrow and spray it. But for the most part, everything is primed except for that little bit at the top over here on this cabinet. Yeah, so yep.